The types of matrices is a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. So you can see there is only one column here. There are 4 rows. So this is a column matrix. So the order of this matrix is 4 by 1. So we write it as 4 into 1, but you read it as 4 by 1. Next, row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. Square matrix. A matrix is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows are equal to the number of columns. If the number of rows and number of columns are equal, then we say the matrix is a square matrix. So look at this now. You have 3 rows and 3 columns. So the number of rows equal to number of columns, then we say it is a square matrix. So this is a square matrix of order 3. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix, but you can also say it is a matrix of order 3. Next is position of the element. This is A11, this is A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, this is A33. Now these elements A11, A22, A33, they are called as the diagonal elements. This the leading diagonal is called as the diagonal. The leading diagonal elements, A11, A22, A33. So these are called as the diagonal elements. So next we are going to see what is a diagonal matrix. So you know what a square matrix is. Now the next is a diagonal matrix. So diagonal matrix is, so it should be a square matrix and it should have elements only in the main diagonal. Only the diagonal elements will be there. All the other entries are all zeros. All the other entries are 0. A11 you have minus 1.1. A22, this is A22, second row, second element. A33, so you have only elements in the diagonal. All the other places are zeros. You can see that. So a square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0. Non-diagonal elements are all 0. Just see. So this is a diagonal matrix. So everywhere you have 0 except the diagonal. So it is called as a diagonal matrix. Next is a scalar matrix. There is a small difference between the diagonal and scalar matrix. Again, a scalar matrix is a square matrix, first thing. Second thing, a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Third, all these diagonal elements are equal. If they are equal, then we say a diagonal matrix is a scalar matrix. They are all equal. See here you can see all are equal to root 3, root 3, root 3. So if all the elements are equal, then we say it is a scalar matrix. Next is the identity matrix. So the identity matrix, again it is a square matrix, it is a diagonal matrix, it is a scalar matrix, and also one more extra thing is all the elements should be 1. See, this is called as a identity matrix. So this is, you can see here 1, 1, 1. So it is a square matrix. First thing, it is a square matrix because it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Second thing, it is a diagonal matrix because you have 0 everywhere. See, you can see all the non-diagonal elements are 0. Then it is a scalar matrix because all the diagonal elements are equal. One more special property is the diagonal elements are 1. If they are all equal to 1, then we say it is an identity matrix. So this is an identity matrix of order 3. So we say I3. We write it as I3, capital I with the suffix 3. So this is I3. This is 1001 is the identity matrix of order 2. So we write it as I2, capital I and 2. Next is 0 matrix. So you know 0 matrix need not be a square matrix. If any matrix, if all the elements are 0, a matrix is said to be 0 matrix or a null matrix if all its elements are 0. You should not get any non-zero element there. And we denote a zero matrix by O. Equal matrices. Two matrices are said to be equal if they are of the same order and each element of A is equal to the corresponding element. See, 2 here and 2 here. 3, 3. These matrices are equal. Same order. This is 3 by 2 matrix. This is also 3 by 2 matrix. So we can say x is equal to minus 1.5. Y is equal to 0. Z is 2. Like that. The question number 3.1. The first, the matrix A given here. Write the order of the matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 3 by 4. Second, how many elements are there? 12, right? 3 into 4, 12. Third, write the elements A13. What is A13? First row, third element. First row, third element is 19. So A13 is 19. A21. What is A21? 35. A33 minus 5. A24. What is A24? 12. A23 5 by 2. If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders you can have? What are the possible orders? If a matrix has 24 elements, you can have 1 into 24, 1 by 24 matrix, isn't it? Or you can have 2 and 12. So rectangular matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. So all the possible dimensions you should give. So 2 into 12, or it can be 3 and 8, then 4 and 6, then 6 and 4. That is a different matrix. 6 and 4, then 8 and 3, then 12 and 2, 24 and 1. That's it. So these are the possible matrices. Now if it has only 13 elements, then what are the possible orders? If it has only 13 elements, only two possibilities. What are they? 13 into 1 and 1 by 13. Third, question number 3. If a matrix, same thing. If a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What are they? 1 into 18, then 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 9 into 2, 6 into 3, 18 into 1. So these are the possible matrices. Next, if it has only 5 elements, then it will be only two possibilities, 5 into 1 and 1 into 5. 5 by 1 and 1 by 5. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by. So you have to construct a 2 by 2 matrix. So first let us write the structure of a 2 by 2 matrix. What's the structure? How do you write it? A11, A12, 2 rows and 2 columns. So A21, A22. So these are the possibilities, right? These are the structure of this 2 by 2 matrix. So we have to find now, this is I, this is J. So let us find Aij is given as I plus J the whole square by 2. So what is A11? So A11 will be 2, 2, 2. Okay, A12 will be 1 plus 2. Add this to 9 by 2. A21, what is A21? 2 plus 1, 9 by 2. A22, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square by 8. So the matrix is A11 is 2, right in the same order, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. Second one is very simple, I by J. So what will be I by J matrix? We just give a name here. So the matrix I by j will be 1 by 1. I is, this is 1, 1 by 2, 2 by 1 and 2 by 2 is 1. I plus 2j the whole square by 2. So what is A11? 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 the whole square by 2. A12, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5 square by 2. Okay. A21, this is 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square, right? 16 by 2. A22, this is 4 plus 2, 6 square. So the matrix is 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix now. A 3 by 4 matrix whose elements, so we give a name here, the matrix A, 3 by 4. There are 3 rows and 4 columns. So just write the structure first. A11, A12, A13, A14. There are 4 columns and 3 rows. So A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, 34. So there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So write the structure and then you write this. There is a modulus sign here. So let us first find A11. So what is A11? 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1. Modulus become 1. Right? A12. What will be A12? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2. Right? Modulus of minus 1 will be 1 by 2. A13. What is A13? Minus 3 plus 3, 0. A14. Minus 3 plus 4, 1 by 2. A21 into minus 6 plus 1. So minus 5 by 2. That is plus 5 by 2. Then A22. Minus 6 plus 2. So minus 4 by 2. So minus 2 will become plus 2. A23. Minus 6 plus 3. So minus 3 by 2. That is plus 3 by 2. 24. Minus 6 plus 4. Minus 2 by 2. Minus 1 will become plus 1. A31 is minus 9 plus 1. So 8 by minus 8, that is plus 8 by 2, that is 4. A32 is minus 9 plus 2, minus 7, that will become plus 7 by 2. 33 minus 9 plus 3, minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3 will become plus 3. 34 will become minus 9 plus 4, 5. 5 by 2. 2i minus j. What is A11 now? 2 minus 1. So it is 1. A12, 0. A13, A1, A minus 1. A14, A21, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 2. That is 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. 3, 1 will be, no, 6. 3 into 2, 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 6, that is 3 here. 6 minus 3 and 2. So number 6. Find the values of x, y, z from the following equations. So they are given equal to sign here. That means they are equal matrices. So you can directly write here x is equal to 1. X is 1. Y is equal to 4. Y is 4. 4 is equal to y. Z is equal to 3. Second one, x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y equal to 6. X into y is equal to 8. It becomes a quadratic. So y is equal to 8 by x. So what do you get now? X plus 8 by x is equal to 6. So x square plus 8 minus 6x. So that is what are the factors? Minus 4, minus 2. So x is 4 or x is 2. So if x is 4, what is y? 8 by 4, 2. Z also we have to find. 5 plus z is equal to 5. So that 5 plus z is equal to 5. So z is equal to 0. When x is 4, y is 2, z is 0. When x is 2, write both the options. When x is 2, y is 4. X is 2, y is 4. Z is same. Third one, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. X plus z is equal to 5. Y plus z is equal to 7. The name of the equations 1, 2, 3. So put 3 in 1. So you get x plus y plus z is 7. So x plus 7 is equal to 9. So x is equal to 2. Then put it here and find z. So x plus z is equal to 5. X is 2. So 2 plus z is equal to 5. So z is equal to 3. Then y plus z is equal to 7. Y plus 3 equal to 7. So y is 4. X is 2. Y is 4. Z is 3. Question number 7. A minus b is equal to minus 1. 2a plus c is 5. A minus b is equal to minus 1. 2a plus c is equal to 5. 2a minus b is equal to 0. 3c plus d is 13. 3c plus d is 13. See, 2a minus b is equal to 0. So we can write b is 2a. Put that b in equation 1. So a minus b is 2a. Minus 2a is equal to minus 1. So minus a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1. So b will be double. b is 2a. So b is equal to 2. What is c? So 2a plus c is equal to 5. A is 1. So 2 plus c is 5. So c is equal to 3. 3c plus d is 13. So 9 plus d. So d is 4. So we got a is 1, b is 2, c is 3 and d is 4. Aij is a square matrix if it is a square matrix, rows should be equal to columns. So what is the option? The option C, m should be equal to n, right? If it is a square matrix, number of rows should be equal to the number of columns. So m is equal to n. So the option C.